right, welcome back. A really important topic here as women. We know it can be easier to care for others than it is to kind of think about ourselves sometimes. But Tampa General Hospital is hosting a free event geared towards women's health. And here to tell us more about the Women's Health Reimagined Community Panel, Valerie Maslow, a physician's assistant at Tampa General Hospital Cancer Institute in the Palm Beaches. I feel like that is just a big topic when it comes to women. We're caretakers in so many ways. At the same time, we have to make sure that we're healthy for our families in order for us to take care of anyone else. Thanks for joining us. Why women's health? Why is that so important right now?
So I think now more than ever, we're being so inundated with information from social media, even AI apps, just throwing so much information at us. So it's really important now more than ever to get the right info, and it's not a one size fits all for all women. No. It's individualized for each of us. So it's so important to get the right information right now.
Talk about what's going to be the hot topics, if you will, on the panel. What do you want to focus on?
So we've got three amazing providers that are basically going to talk about different aspects of women's health. We have a primary care physician to talk about general women's health and wellness. We have Dr. Kelly Foster, who's an oncologist here on the East Coast, who I'm so proud to work with. She's going to talk about things related to breast cancer prevention strategies and our high-risk breast cancer program. And then we have Kathy Marinac, who's our genetics expert, who's going to talk about different things as it pertains to individual genetics for women that we may have certain genetic factors that leave us at high risk for certain subtypes of cancer. So it really helps with our screenings.
I would imagine all three of those panelists can talk to the social media. I was on a panel not too long ago talking about so many different medical questions, and one of them was saying, it's really hard for everyone from millennials to baby boomers who are on social media, and they see all this information, and you think somebody's a doctor or somebody who knows what they're talking about, and everything sounds legit. It's hard to decipher.
It is. It's so hard, but thankfully with our great panel of experts, really able to hone in on what's important for us individually. With the development of these genetic tests, we're really able to see on a personalized basis what we're at highest risk for and what's best for us. And our hormones change as we go through life, our bodies change as we go through different, parts of our lifetime. And it's really important to hone in on what's the right thing for us at that particular time, because it's going to change every single year.
And for that event, it's I understand it's free. Or is it still open? Can you get tickets? How does it work?
You can get tickets. There's a few seats left for it. It's actually tomorrow at the Loggerhead Marine Life Center. You can get tickets at tgh.org/women's panel. And it's really going to be an awesome event to hear from some of the top experts here.
And for all you women saying, I don't have time, I have things to do, maybe that's what you do. You make a little bit of time for yourself to do that.
Absolutely.
And to focus on yourself. Tampa General really making a mark here in the Palm Beaches. Talk about some new things you guys have going on.
Yeah, so I'm so blessed to have been part of the oncology division for the last almost 12 years under the leadership of Dr. Abraham Schwartzberg. So Tampa General Hospital has really expanded its wings here in South Florida. We've been able to collaborate with pulmonary teams, GI, urology, and because of that, we're able to really provide the best care for our patients. Patients don't have to wait 2, 3, 4 weeks to see a clinician. We can help facilitate that, and that wouldn't be possible without the collaboration and really teamwork of the Tampa General Hospital network, and we're so fortunate to have this for not only our patients, but our South Florida community.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you so much.
No
I love panels like that. I think it's great. A lot of times people get to ask questions and it becomes very interactive. So take some time for yourself, ladies. Make your health a priority. If you'd like to know more about the panel, because there are some tickets available, go to our website, WPBF.com. I've linked right to their website so you can learn more about tickets, times, locations, and so forth right there, WPBF.com and on our free mobile app. Thank you so much.